Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about Google Play Store in Google TV. I got a lot of questions about this, how to install Google Play Store in Google TV. You don't have to install Google Play Store because it's already available in your device. In Google TV, you will not see the application in the home screen. If you go to apps, you see only the applications that you have installed here. That's because the home screen is already powered by Google Play. So instead of opening a Play Store app, you can simply use the search function on your Google TV to look for any app you want to install. Search for apps and games. You just look for the application you want to install. I'm just going to give you an example. Let's look for an application. You just type in the name of the application you want to install and just press the magnifying glass to search. You will get the application and you will be able to install it. You just go to apps, as I said, apps here. In apps, you just scroll down to search here and search for your application. You have another option here at the top. Simply select the magnifying glass icon and press OK in your remote. This will open the search function. From here, you can search by the name of an application, movie, TV channel, or even a specific program.
Here's Tubi, free movies and live TV.
Okay, perfect. So you have here the application, free movies and live TV. Just press install to install it. You can also go by category and choose your programs. You can either search here, this is your Google Play Store, or here, or you go to apps, scroll down and go to search. The third option I would like to share is the Google Assistant feature on your Google TV remote. Most Google TV and Android TV remotes include a voice button, allowing you to search for apps and programs hands-free. Simply hold down the button for a few seconds and say the name of the app you want to find. So I'm gonna look for Google Play Store. Google Play Store. It says voice input is off. If you have this issue, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. It's very easy. So I'm gonna go to settings and enable voice assistant first. To do that, open settings and then go to accounts and profiles. Press on your email address and then scroll down to voice assistant and enable voice assistant. Voice control, find what to watch, get info, and control your TV by voice. Enable that. Now let me call Google Play Store. Hold down the button again and say the name of the application. Google Play Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
So this is the Google Play Store. In Google TV, you have applications. You can go back here. You can go to search and search for applications here. Just enter the name of the application you're looking for, and it's that easy. You don't really need the Google Play Store application to show in the home screen of your device. You have everything already in the home screen. You have the search here, you have the voice button on your remote, and you have the search button there, and you have categories of shows and movies available in your device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give it a like, share it with others, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.